Okay, here we go. We're going to talk about road vectors and how to use them. So in order to use road vectors, you need to be running the OpenStreetMaps software that comes with MACE. To do that, you need to go to the hard drive we gave you and open OpenStreetMaps. Yours might be called Windows BSI OSM or something like that. We open it, we run the control panel and hit start and wait for the output to show that everything's started. When we go to control, we can see these three services are running, okay? And they're running over these IP addresses. So the first thing I need to do is to check that MACE is actually reading from those IP addresses. So go to the system settings, which is on the view tab. And because it's a streaming data, we go to the communications tab. And in here, we enter the IP address of the worldwide OpenStreetMap. So if I was connected on another computer, I could enter this address here, the 192.168.1.176, and connect to the OpenStreetMaps on this computer. But as I'm on the same computer, I could enter that if I wanted, but it's faster to enter a loopback address. So what I'm entering in this box here is 127.0.0.1 and then colon and the port number, and that's this one up here that says Apache port. So it's 8080. In doing that, now if I go to the File, Connect menu, these three BSI prefixed things will be available to me. So, well, the imagery wouldn't unless I've entered that in. But for now, I can show the tiles. Okay, so I can see the tiles, and at the moment these roads are just pictures. Can't do anything with them. Go up to near where I live, where I used to live, and if I connect to road vectors, then I start to get this overlay of these various lines. And then if I was to put something like a T90 down, let me just put that down somewhere near the road, and then go to entity controls and use the paperclip, I can now attach him to the road and his waypoints follow the road.